We have the box from Allure for February. And as always, it comes with a brochure with a lovely person on the front, has information on the inside about the items. So let's take a little look, because is pink peach or is peach pink? Yeah, that was the question. The item in question is Merit Beauty Slick Tinted Lip Oil. There were choices. You don't always get to make a choice, but for this one, we got to make a choice. And the way it was presented on the website, I picked the shade Jeté because it was indicated to be a sheer neutral with a hint of light pink. It's peach. That's not pink. Yeah. And now even in their brochure, they say that it is peach. And it says that a different shade had pink. That's not good. They are getting their colors mixed up. So this was one of the times where I used the handy dandy little phone number that they give us, which I appreciate the fact that there is a phone number, was able to talk to a real live person. They could not send me out the shade that I had preferred. I guess they were all out of them. They did send me a $15 coupon to utilize in their store. Now, granted, this is a full-size item and is $24. So, on the other hand, we're getting all these items at discount, because they're saying in here that Jeté is peachy and that Pink Beet is the rose petal shade. So for a $24 item, I'm not exactly thrilled. I need to decide what I'm going to do with this. Part of me wants to just go ahead and put it in the Find a Future Home box. Part of me wants to give it a try anyway and see what it is like. So that is yet to be decided. We have a hydrating mask from Skin Inc. I've used this brand before and I have enjoyed it. It wasn't a mask. It was, I think, a serum and maybe a primer. And I'm excited to get to try another Skin Inc. product. So, I mean, it's not like this box is a total bust. It's just, first item had a little hiccup. This item, I'm excited to try this one. This is not very large. How large are you? Well, maybe the brochure will tell us, because it's also going to tell us the price, and I have a feeling it comes with a hefty price tag. The size is 30 milliliters. I just saw the price. $85. Skincare is expensive. I had a feeling it was going to come with a price tag. Skin Inc. Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Overnight Mask. So apparently you can wear this overnight, or you can wear it for 30 minutes and then rinse off. It says that it has glycerin and hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to be cooling to the touch and soothing. So again, like I said, I've used this brand before and enjoyed it, so I'm excited about that product. Then we have the two Olaplex products. These are both sample sizes. Let me pull them up here. Oh dear. Anne's Hair and Olaplex did not get along Jeff tried it and it didn't work for him from a scent standpoint. We have number 6 and number 9. They both look to be reasonably full up. They are at least 3/4, if not more, full. These are sample sizes. Let's see what it says about them. It says that $30 is the price for each one at full size. And number 6 is a bond smoother. It's a leave-in treatment. Finger comb this formula through damp hair. And number 9 is a bond protector. It is a heat protection product. So you would use that before blow drying or curling iron or flat ironing or all of the above. And it is smooth over damp towel dried hair. This brand just did not work well for my hair. It left it more tangled. It left it icky, for lack of a more professional way of saying that. And Jeff's description, and I have to say, I took a sniff through the safety seal on these two. Yeah, Jeff's right. It smells like a public restroom. I know, the world loves Olaplex. I'm probably the only one who doesn't, along with Jeff. So we're the only two that don't. I wasn't wild on it either, so that makes 3. Yep, that's part of the reason we try subscription boxes, is so we can try out different products. This one is not a winner for me. Those 2 samples will go into the Find a Future Home box. This is a $14 item. Anne used to get this brand, and I think this product, through Birchbox back when we had it. Yeah, I remember this one. This is their rose-scented deodorant. I've taken a sniff through their safety seal, and it smells pleasant. So I'm excited to be able to give this one a try. It's a $14 product. This is full size. We got something fun. And last but not least is a sample size. This is a $37 if you were to purchase the full 30 milliliter size. This is 3 Ships Beauty Dew Drops Mushroom plus Kakadu Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It has aloe, hydrating coconut, and more. We're supposed to smooth it on to smooth it on to clean skin in the morning and top it off with our usual moisturizer. And I would love to be able to do it with what they sent me. And that was another reason we called customer service. This is empty. I mean, I know it's a sample, but this is empty. I squeezed and nothing came out. So they are sending me another sample size, which in some ways is semi-ridiculous, yet, hey, I paid for the box, so I should get my sample. But yeah, I'm looking at it in the ring light. It's empty. And I am excited to give this a try because a while back I used something, I think it was Volition, had a serum with water mushroom, and I really enjoyed that. I liked it, and I think Jeff even liked it. And so I was excited to try even a sample size, but kind of would be easier to try if there was something in here. Oh, Allure. This was a tough box. My top 2, even though this one is empty, they are sending me another one. My top 2 from this box would be the mushroom serum and the skin ink mask. What did you see that you liked? Did you have any problems with your box this month? Let us know down below. because I'm a nosy camel, and we have a link down below if you want to try the box. It will save you $10. And normally there's not this many problems. I don't know why I just got lucky this time around, and Mercury isn't even in retrograde. And they are also looking into the problem that I've been having is when there is a customization, which is happening more often. There's not always a customization, but we are getting more opportunity to customize. They used to send an email, and I haven't been getting any emails. And I did a direct message with someone last month or the month before on Instagram, because that's the only way I'm finding out when it's time to customize now, is I have to check thoroughly on Instagram to see if it's a customization month. This month, I can't say this was the greatest box. Is it the worst box I've ever gotten from Allure? No, it was not. Look back, there's a December box from, I think, 2021. I think it, yeah, because I think that's when I threw a product at the camera. You win some, you lose some, you know. I still got an $85 product with a box that is, are we up to $30 now? $25 or $30? Yes, this is a $25 a month box. You can go quarterly, and that drops the price down a little bit. You can go annual subscription, and that drops the price down a little bit. So, you know, whatever your budget allows. So, I mean, it was not a disastrous box. It just wasn't one of the better ones. Thanks for watching today, and thanks to listening to our story. Although, like I said, at least I got to talk to a real live person. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. Check out another video. Check out a playlist. Hope to see you in another video soon. We have fun things coming. And usually not so much of a kerfluffle. Yep, we had a kerfluffle because peach and pink and pink and peach are not the same. No, they're not.